It takes big equipment, planning, and a good crew to pick up a house and move it.
This particular one is challenging due to being a two-story. The center of gravity is higher, and we have to make sure that the balancing is done well. We might have to lift it up and down a couple times to reposition slings, and that's the biggest challenge. Is it's a higher center of gravity since it's 2 stories tall. The house itself is 20 feet wide on the bottom and 37 feet long, each section. The total weight of the house is approximately 70,000 pounds. Our radius is we're working out about a 36, 38 foot radius to pick it. The capacity of this particular crane is 165 ton.
And the massive crane has no trouble lifting the ReidBuilt house off of its temporary base. It's a sturdy, well-made home, having been built to factory specifications in a climate-controlled environment. As it swings gently toward the trailer, the experienced crew is mindful this is a very valuable, fully furnished show home.
No, we've never moved a two-piece in one piece before. We probably moved 200 two-piece homes, but never in one piece like this before. This is a first.
And it's a challenge. Norm Austin has to carefully drive the big load over a field and then steer through a construction zone.
The biggest challenge was coming across the field and digging the berm down to keep the road level here, because it was about a 6-foot drop here. Bringing it around the corners there earlier, it was quite a slope we had on the hill there, but we went slow and it come around okay.
Its short journey safely completed, it's up to the crane operator and crew to pick up the house again and slowly lower it to the waiting foundation.
Coming down, looking good.
It's a perfect fit.
It's quite amazing based on, you know, where house building was 30 years ago, if not even 20 years ago, to where it is now. I mean, this can be, you can build homes in factories, as this home was, and bring it out here and set it on a foundation which is poured in place and with minimum amount of disruption, and it's very impressive. Look at this little, whatever it is, wooden thing. See how top heavy it is? Top heavy, and the feet, you think it would fall over, eh? But no cracks in the walls, no drywall cracks that we could see when we went in, and no pictures broken. Even the computer that was on the desk is still in the same place it was 6 hours ago.